tree plantation by Rotary Club of Nasik, Riverside. Our club had a major thrust for the tree plantation projects. We have planted total 6,200 plants. Karanjwan Dam 6,100 plants. Swami Vivekananda Kendra 100 plants. Total 6,200 plants. We were associated with Irrigation Department for tree plantation project. Irrigation Department suggested various sites for tree plantation. We have surveyed the sites and selected Karanjwan Dam. Delta Phynochemicals Private Limited helped a lot for the tree plantation projects. Apart from supplying the tree saplings and seed balls, they have extended their experts and provided buses for transportation of students. Mr. Madhukar Gosavi and Mr. Vishnu Chavan accompanied us from selection of site to actual tree plantation. Mahendra EPC Irrigation Limited, a company in the field of micro irrigation, has sponsored for the 6,200 tree plantation program at Karanjwan Dam.
Visit for survey of site. Visited Karanjwan Dam for survey of site for tree plantation with the officials of Irrigation Department. Rotarian Mr. Adhikari, Rotarian Mrs. Manisha Adhikari, Rotarian Mrs. Sharayutai Deshmukh, President Rotarian Pusatkar, Rotarian Deepak Kulkarni were present. Mr. Madhukar Gosavi and Mr. Vishnu Chavan from Delta Phinochem also accompanied us for the site selection. The area of plantation and 22 dates were finalized. We also planted 100 trees as the token of commencement of project.
Seminar on scientific way of tree plantation. Seminar was arranged on 2nd August at Seminar Hall near Geography Department, HPT Arts and RYK Science College, College Road, Nasik. Speaker Mrs. Neeta Padhe. Rotary Club of Nasik Riverside organized the seminar along with Rotary Club of Nasik Midtown and Department of Botany, HPT Arts and RYK Science College, Nasik. Mrs. Neeta Padhe, a renowned environmentalist who is working as a consultant to Government of Maharashtra's plantation and other ecology projects, was the guest speaker. She explained all about scientifically correct way of plantation. She explained about how to choose plants for the local ecology, which plants to be avoided, how to ensure their survival, and also informed about the latest Miyawaki technique to create a rich forest in smaller places and in lesser time. She also took part in actual plantation at Karanjwan Dam. Executive Engineer Mr. Govardhane, Principal of HPT RYK College Mr. Suryavanshi, Mr. Warkhede, President RCN Midtown were also on dais. Senior Rotarian PDG Dalasaheb Deshmukh and many other officers of Irrigation Department were present. Anchoring was done by Mrs. Ratna Kulkarni. Also around 20 Rotarians and 50 students were also present.
Phase 1 Plantation Program at Karanjwan Dam on 3rd August, Saturday. Rotary Club of Nasik Riverside with partner club RCN Midtown and Delta Phynochemicals Private Limited. 100 students and 7 staff members reached Karanjwan Dam site at 10:30. All participants had brought their own tiffins. Sharayutai Deshmukh, Director of Delta Phynochemicals Private Limited, did puja of Bharat Mata. Around 15 Rotarians took part in the plantation. At 1 p.m., all stopped for snacks and tea break. Again, all started planting at 1:30 and more than 1,500 saplings were planted till 3 p.m. This is how the one phase of project was completed. 2 buses were arranged by Delta Phynochemicals Private Limited.
Phase 2 plantation program at Karanjban Dam on 24th August, Saturday. 100 students and 5 staff members of RYK College reached the dam at 11 o'clock. All saplings were shifted to the place of plantation. At 2 o'clock, we stopped for snacks and tea breaks. More than 1,500 saplings were planted until 3:30 p.m. This is how the second phase of project was completed. We also planted 3,000 trees with the help of local workforce and staff of irrigation in the same week. For this project, one bus was provided by Delta Phynochemicals Private Limited. The other bus was provided by Samsonite India Limited. Mahindra EPC Irrigation Limited has sponsored for the tree plantation program.
Project of Rotract tree plantation at Swami Vivekananda Hall. 100 trees were planted by Rotractors from Rotract Club Eco Warriors. Rotarian Ashok Rajwade had coordinated this plantation activity. Rotarian Sharyutai Deshmukh, Rotarian Neeta Lele, Rotarian Deepak Kulkarni were present from the club. Mr. Madhukar Gosavi, Delta Phynochemicals Private Limited, gave demonstration for preparation of seed balls to the Rotractors. 100 seed balls were made for the next tree plantation.